High beta open stock is down 10.27%. Over 25 million shares have crossed the tape, which is more than 12% of its average volume. High beta because of this value here, indicating that it's if you have to indicating that this it will trade it will trade 3.4 times what the broader market does. So if the broader market is down 10%, it's going to be up. If the broader market is down 10%, then it's going to be down 34%. So amongst other things, yesterday it was observed that the $8.5 strike calls were showing a lot of activity, but we haven't seen anything here. They may have traded it and exited. Yeah, they may have done so. Yeah, let's see. But we'll see how it goes. It's always an active stock, obviously for obvious reasons. The CEO of the company indicated that. Let's see what we have here. The CEO said he's bringing a Silicon Valley mindset to the decade-old online housing marketplace. His goal is to capitalize on the company's meme stock moment by scaling quickly and without much concern about the costs. Okay, so this is good. This is good. So he doesn't have. This is his first time as a CEO. Most of all, I don't think he has been associated with any company that has a meme stock status. I don't really think so. Spotify wasn't a meme stock. Didn't have its stock went meme stocks. So this is good for him. This is good for him. He will grow very well, really fast. He has a huge, huge, huge hurdle to surmount. And short selling, skepticism, they're all very much part of the whole ecosystem. Very much needed, very much needed. You know, Short sellers put their money where their mouth is. They, put their money in the stock. They leave their money out there in the market, and you and I can assess it. That's the good thing about it. Money is locked up in the stock. So it is now down to the CEO of the company and his team to defy all of these bearish sentiments and extrapolations and forecasts and blow away all of those short positions and get the money back into the stock. You know, so they're all very much needed, very much needed. So all of these things are the sort of things that should eventually, give him you know, um, the desire, to, defy them and, excel and do well, So it is not completely bad. It's not completely bad. It's still very much part of the ecosystem. Okay, so we have here, yes, bearish extrapolations, nothing to the upside. The only thing up to the upside are projections, which were initiated yesterday and reiterated today in the form of $7.56, 8.45, 8.99. 8.99 is a pivotal projection. If it closes above it, then it might go ahead and retest 9.39. 9.39 is actually we have here 9.48. Statistically, we have, based on what we have here on Trading View, the probability of it retesting 9.38 is very tiny, very tiny. I would even tell you probably less than 1%. But it's also within this very tiny probabilities that within these tiny probabilities that you find out that rallies occur. Yeah, intraday highs, prints, all those kind of things. Yeah, it is also within these sort of things that you find out the stock may reverse and go ahead and retest it. If it doesn't do that now, at some point, maybe in the coming days, it may do so. You know, so in the interim, it is downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. That has been the case. It's not this is not out of place. Bearish sentiment, bearish extrapolations, most certainly not out of place for the stock. It's the usual. It's not. It's getting. It's quite common. Given that a lot of market participants, highly sophisticated ones, highly influential ones, are skeptical about about what the company and the management of the company can deliver. So let's see what we have on its 4-hour chart. Okay, here a bounce is expected today, but no guarantee that that will happen. No guarantee at all. We have so far so good. Nothing yet. So far so good. Outside that, it's saying that it may hold the bounce up till the midday tomorrow, the 19th. Then after that, the downtrend may resume. Expected to trade below its 40-day moving average once it crosses it. Okay. On this 4-hour chart, no upper projections. We have 5.03, 5.0, 5.68, 6.73. Okay. Positions open all the way back to 800 hours ago. Most certainly not in profit, especially the ones opened 40 hours ago, surely not in profit in our stance right now. Yeah, so yes, as usual, you will always find out that there might be a willingness to participate in this market, and aggression will always be the aggressive hands will always have the upper hand. But the willingness to participate is always there. It's highly liquid, and traders will be participating because there's money to be made. Volatility is high. It's the stuff of certain traders. It's the stuff of certain traders. So that's why, amongst other things, it trades a lot of volumes. That's why, amongst other things, the short interests are not completely bad. On the day things work out, it will be an explosive one, and you've seen that already before. You've seen that already. So it's not completely bad. It is the stuff that will those short interests, those skepticisms. It is what will continue to bring market participants back, from time to time, if not even from time to time, always back into the stock. The stock will continue to be in a, it will continue to get the attention of the market, and that's really good. That's really good. It's not bad. That will keep the management of the company on their toes to ensure that they deliver, to defy the skepticism. So they're very much, very much, very much important. Yeah. So here we can see, yes, aggressive hands are there, always in charge, but the price good discovery is there. You can see that. Yeah. You can see prices are going through at above and below the market price. You can see. Yeah, we see that here. You can see it's changing. They are pretty much going through here as well, pretty much going through, and the market is liquid. The spread between the ask and the bid is just 1 cent, which will always be the case. Usually the case when you have a decent amount of participation going on. You know, People are expecting even higher prices. We can see here 7.42. That's a decent premium to the current price, and these guys are trying to buy. What are they telling us? Could it be that could it be short sellers who are hoping to exit? This is their limit. Could it be? Could it be? Because if you want to enter a stock, you probably want to enter at a lower price. So this amongst other things. If you haven't seen the short sellers, this is probably their hand here. Yeah, this is probably their hand. Yeah, or could it be? Yeah, yeah, it could be their hand. Yes, it could be their hand. It could be their hand. Sellers, profit takers will be on this column. Yeah. Okay, yeah, just have a look, and let's see how it goes, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.